Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today I want to show you a new project called Bitsniper. And as of right now, you can get it on pre-sale on Pink Finance. And this project has a lot of features that I like. So for example, the contract has been audited, the team has been KYC'd. And what could be a really good hint that it's going to be successful, as you can see here, you can get it on pre-sale for the next 5 days, 6 hours and 51 minutes. Yeah. And they were looking to raise 30 BNB. And as of right now, they've already raised 270 BNB. That's more than $80,000. So this could be a good hint that it's going to be really successful. So basically, it's an e-gaming platform, so to say, a decentralized esports competitor developed by former Tencent and Ubisoft devs. Tencent and Ubisoft, these are really big players in the gaming industry. And I can show you even in this project, people show their faces, because I told you so many times, it's really important that you know who is the team behind the project. Because let's say if anybody would put out a legit project, why would you hide your face? Yeah, I mean, you should be proud. You should be proud that you have something nice to offer. Okay, so let me show you the homepage first. Looks pretty good, and it will be a web 3.0 gaming solution. Okay, and I will show you also here the contract has been audited and it looks pretty good here. Okay, you can see all of this in detail if you want, and also KYC has been done. Okay, then let me show you here what the homepage looks like. You can go here, there's even a trailer of the game, and this will really be something big, guys. Let me show you, because Bitsniper is a groundbreaking polyfunctional cross-domain crypto gaming platform. So there are many things that you can do with it. It's not just a simple game. Why Bitsniper? You can read this. Bitsniper offers an innovative AI-powered gaming experience that allows players and investors to earn through gameplay, NFTs, and cryptocurrency. So guys, as always, we are in this to make money. Yeah. So what could be the idea now? First of all, you can get in early in the pre-sale. Usually the earlier you get in the pre-sale, the more tokens you get. Okay, so then, for example, if it's launched and you want to make quick money, as always, guys, do your own research before you invest your own money. But if it goes really up in value, you could just sell and take your profit, or you can wait how it develops. Okay, let me also show you. This is really nice here, because team, I said it so many times. Here you can check all the team members. For example, let's say here on Twitter, you can see this one here, Chief Creative Officer. Let's go to Twitter, and as you can see here, this is the guy, for example. So they're really legit guys. You see, joined November 2013, and they have really experience in the gaming industry, guys. Okay, so let's go on here. You can also check the other members here, but as of right now, let me show you here how to earn. There are many ways to earn, just by playing, by investing, and by staking. Yeah. You can, for example, buy in the game. They have their own token. It's called Bullet. Yeah, that's their own currency, so to say. And you can buy it, as a players can buy different stuff during the game, like skins and whatever they want to buy. And then this will lead to some revenue, which can also be very beneficial. Yeah, there will also be airdrops. Yeah, loyalty-based airdrops, automated buyback and burn function, which is also very good. Dynamic profit sharing. I mean, you can read all of this in detail if you want, but it sounds really good, guys. Sounds really good. But of course, we're interested how does the game look like, and so you can see this here, and they also have some videos, and here you can read in detail how the game will be played. It's AI powered. Yeah, and of course, what's Bullet? Bullet is their own token. Yeah, it's on Binance Smart Chain and also on the Polygon network. Okay, what is it used for? For example, it's a medium of exchange. You can buy skins, assets, advanced avatar customization, and stuff like this. You can also stake it and make more money. You can see you can earn more than 45% per year. I mean, that's not crazy compared to other projects, but this could be sustainable, because if people buy stuff during their game, this could be the basis for paying your rewards. Okay, it's not like gonna promise you 2% per day with all those, I would say, usually scam projects, because these are usually just Ponzi schemes. But behind this here, there's really a use case. Yeah, there's this game and people can use this bullet token to buy stuff, and you can also stake it. So this sounds pretty good, guys, I would say. Yeah, you can stake it, and yeah, basically that's it, guys. You can read the white paper yourself. They have a really good white paper, and it's also very detailed, I would say. So this is really good, guys. Yeah, this is a nice project, guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.